Hey guys, it's Shaun from Come Along with Shaun with a new update. The iconic ride Splash Mountain, which already closed in Disney World on January 23rd, will now be closing in Disneyland on May 31st. The ride, which was controversial due to its ties to the 1946 film Song of the South, will be replaced with Tiana's Bayou Adventure, which is based around the 2009 film The Princess and the Frog. The Disneyland Splash Mountain opened back in 1989 and is one of the park's most popular attractions, but guests only have until May 30th to ride it. The new Princess and the Frog versions are accepted to open in late 24. Tiana's Bayou Adventure is accepted to be pretty much just a redesign of Splash Mountain, as they are keeping the log flume style ride vehicles and the massive drop at the end. The main difference will be just a retheming to include different characters, a new story, and brand new animatronics. The story of the ride is set to take place a year after the events of the Princess and the Frog film. The characters will be celebrating carnival season in New Orleans and invite ride guests to join them on an adventure through the bayou. I like that Disney is keeping the classic ride mostly the same, and I hope to ride this one very soon with all the latest theme park news. I'm Shaun. See you soon. And remember to punch that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you soon.